Hello everyone, this is Santosh and welcome to my channel Code in Swift. Today I am going to teach you how to uninstall Cocoapods from your Mac. First, we need to see the Cocoapods that are already installed on Mac. For that, open Terminal, type the following commands: gem list --, local space vertical bar grep Cocoapods, press enter. See, these are the Cocoapods related files that are already installed on our Mac. To uninstall these files, we need to type, don't forget to type sudo. Without sudo you can't uninstall anything. So sudo gem uninstall Cocoapods, press enter. It will prompt you password, type your administrator password. It will ask you yes or no, press Y and press enter. See, we have uninstalled Cocoapods 1.9.3, which is this one, but still there are remaining files. Let's see. Gem list local. See, we have other files left. Unfortunately, we need to uninstall these Cocopod files individually. So do the same thing, like sudo gem uninstall Cocoapods -core, press enter. It will remove the same thing like what we have, de-integrate this one, press enter, uninstall, and next one is downloader uninstalled. Next one is plugins uninstalled successfully, and next one search installed, and another one stats uninstalled successfully, and another one trunk. Yeah, and last one try. Let's check. Gem list --, local vertical bar grep space Cocoapods. Nothing we have. This is how we can uninstall Cocoapods completely from our Mac. That's it for the day. Thanks for watching.